In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to hide your phone number when you called someone. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's start. Two ways of doing it, and I'm going to show you all the two ways. So first one, you just go to this three dots here, you type on your dial, and then you see this three dot line, you hit on that, and you come to settings here. Then you go to supplementary services, okay, here, and you just wait. Okay, so as you can see, so show caller ID. Okay, so you just hit here, and you make sure to subscribe to this channel and give me thumbs up. So here, network default hide number, so you just hit on hide number. So after you hit on that, you see that number hidden in outgoing call. So when this thing is on, whenever you called anyone, your number will not be shown. Now let me take you to the other one too. This one, you just type this short code #31#, then you send, and then this is what you get. You see that outgoing caller ID service has been disabled. So with this on, if you call someone, the person will not see your number. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.